Rangbah ke Jila Konrad ke Sangma, ringkat ke Jingdan lang Myntri badai pet yakatanat CNRD, bad ubadeiru MLA ke Jirang uba sustenance sorten, kumusembot kongsan menta ke sengi ulalej pan Plie pa yaki Kamra Klas ba thymmai ke Bhoi Synod College, ke badan ha saj sining, ha ke bala shna da ke jingrap ke sarkar Rangbah ke scheme Chief Minister Special Development Fund CMSDF ha ke jinglun ke blakat syaka 800 lang nyupa hajar tingka. Kiwei ki bledon lang ban sakhi ha kani kesngi ki kenthop yo MLA ko sning u Dr. Celestine Lingdo u MLA ka Nongpo u ba Miral Bonds im u MLA ka Mauhati u ba Charles Marngar u Reverend Precious Timung Principal ka Bhoi Synod College kinoi kai ki samla pulie bat kiwei de haba phai den kani ka Bhoi Synod College la seng dang haus nam 8000 khat nyo da ka jing thmu ban kintiu ya ka puli ka puthi bat ka jing nang jing start hatham Bhoi henry kla long ka jing kermen bat tang ha ki khindiat snam kani ka college kla dang kiu shaprang ban kintiu ya ka puli ka puthi tang ha ka than sning bat ha ka district Bhoi hi baro ka way kani ka singi ka long ru ka singi ka badap da ka jing kemen ye ki bor penyal jong ka Bhoi Synod College ha ka ba ki la pha ya ka dor khas show Myntri Rangbah ka jila banyarap na ka benta bante ya ki auditorium hall bat ki tiar tem ba Myntri Rangbah ka jila ula kular ban pen urlong ye ki te ki jingdan kam hapo kani ka college.
Did you ever think that life was just a highway and never ending?
To really congratulate the governing body for the initiative of this college. You know, I have always believed, and this is something that has been engraved into our DNA, our thought process, of ensuring that human capital, as we call it, investment in the human capital, is the greatest investment you can do. While we need roads, we need buildings, we need infrastructure, but all of that is almost meaningless if we are not able to invest in human capital. If we have to see, and we would like to see, our state grow in the future, in the years to come, if we would like to see that our youngsters will be competing at the top level, we have to ensure that the right nurturing and the right guidance is given to them. Just about 2 weeks back, you all must be aware that we have inaugurated our first government engineering college in Shillong. A project pending for many years. Great difficulties. People only, of course, see the day the inauguration took place. But what went behind making that was very difficult for us. But we overcame those challenges, and today we have the first engineering college, government engineering college in Meghalaya in the form of the Shillong Engineering College. And I was telling the students that day and the faculty that we need to ensure that we are able to nurture and be able to bring out youth and the youngsters based on what requirements we see in the coming days and the years. And I was sharing with them that artificial intelligence, you'll be very surprised to know that artificial intelligence is growing by leaps and bounds, and Shillong and Meghalaya is a very integral part of this growth story also in one way. And just now while I was coming to this location, I got a call from one of the companies who set up their base here in Shillong, telling me that he requires 50 youths who have got AI engineering skill, which they will be training for 6 months and then employing them to work for projects under artificial intelligence directly from the US. And this is going to be done right here in Shillong. and they're looking at about 500 children in the days to come. Now I'm telling you this because I want to show you the possibilities that exist today in the world. We don't have to be closed in our mind and think that there are only one or two possibilities or areas we can work on. I want our youth to think big. And that's why I was listening to the speech of the principal when he mentioned that we have big dreams. And he was saying that we'll take time to get there, but we have big dreams. And I'm so happy to hear those words from a principal. Because if you don't have big dreams, there's no question of you achieving them. So therefore, dream big. Always dream big. Dr. Baum was mentioning about our school and the kind of investments we make. It is true. It's absolutely true. The investments government of Meghalaya makes in education, I don't think any other state government makes those kind of investments.